Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve the sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, exercise 5.1, question 1, sub question 3 and 4. Question 1, sub question 3. The question 1 says, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an AP and why? The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. For the first meter it costs rupees 150, and for every meter afterwards it will cost rupees 50. So the first term will be A1. For the first meter it will cost rupees 150. So the first term will be 150. Now if you want to dig it for 2 meters, we have to pay how much? We have to pay 150 plus 50. That is 200. If you want to dig for 2 meters, we have to pay 200 rupees. If you want to dig for 3 meters, we have to pay 200 plus 50. That is 250. If you want to dig for 4 meters, we have to pay 250 plus 50. That is 300. So now we have to check whether the terms, these terms make an AP or not. For that we have to see the difference between the terms. If there is a common difference between the terms, these terms will form an AP. Now we will check the difference. A2 minus A1. What is A2? 200. 200 minus 150. The difference is 50. Now A3 minus A2. What is A3? 250. 250 minus 200. Then the difference is 50. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is what? 300. 300 minus 250. The difference is 50. So we find that there is a common difference between the terms. So the numbers involved in this are making an AP because there is a common difference. The common difference between the numbers is 50. So the list of numbers, involved make an AP. Make an AP. Now the fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. First, we will see what is the formula to find out the amount. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N. Here A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate per annum, and N is the number of years. Now, the first term will be A1, that is the amount in the account after 1 year. So it will be principal is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole raised to 1. So it will be 10,000 we will solve it by means of cross multiplication. You will get 100 plus 8 1 into 100 is 100. 1 into 100 is 100. 8 into 1, 8. So what you will get? 10,000 into 108 by 100. So what we get? 10,000 into 27 by 25. If we cut this, we'll get 27. So next it will be equal to 27 by 25. If we divide it, we will get 10800. That is the amount in the account after 1 year. Which one? This is the amount. Now we will see the amount at the end of 2 years. It will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, the whole raised to 2. So for this, what we got? We got 27 by 25. So it will be 10,000 into 27 by 25 whole square. It will be 10,000 into 27 by 25 into 27 by 25. So what we get? By we get 11664. This is the amount left in the account after 2 years. Now we will see what is the amount left after 3 years. It will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to 3. What we get? 10,000 into 27 by 25 cube. That is 10,000 into 27 by 25 into 27 by 25 into 27 by 25. If we solve it, we get 12597.12. This is the amount left in the account after 3 years. So there are 3 amounts with us. This is the amount after 1 year. This is the amount after 2 years. This is the amount after 3 years. After 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. Now we have to check whether these numbers make an AP or not. We have to check for the difference between them. If there is a common difference, they make an AP. If not, they don't make an AP. So A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 11664 minus A1 is 10800. So what we get? We get 864. 864. Now we will see A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is 12597.12 minus A2. A2 is what? 11664. What we get? We get 933.12. So we find that there is no common difference between these terms. So these numbers don't make an AP. Since there is no common difference between the numbers, the list of these numbers does not form, does not make an AP, does not make an arithmetic progression, does not make an AP. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.